Today we are making easy chocolate waffles. Chocolate waffles that melt in your mouth. Chocolate waffles that just waffle up in the air. They're so light and delightful. Hey, support us on Patreon. It's very important. I'm Chef Don McMillan, and we're going to make chocolate waffles. Hey, subscribe, tag that bell. I love to hear it ring. And if you have any comments, put them down below. I'd love to personally respond to that. We can share some information on making waffles. We're making chocolate waffles today, and watch how we do it, okay? First of all, we have some milk and eggs. I need 2 eggs. I'm gonna break them and put them right here in with our milk. Break them on a flat surface. This way you get just the egg and the 2 halves of the shells. All right, place that in there. Then I'm going to just mix the milk and the eggs together so simply, just by doing this. Okay, and we're going to put in our melted butter. Get that butter in there. All right. Now, let's mix in our dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, cocoa powder, okay, baking powder, baking soda. That's because we're using the chocolate. You gotta use some baking soda. And a little bit of salt, and definitely some sugar. Let's go ahead and mix our dry ingredients. Incorporate them very well. And then we're going to mix in the wet ingredients and make our batter. I have my waffle iron turned on, ready to go. It already beeped and said, hey, fill me up with goodness, and we're going to do that. All right, look at that. Now, we're going to place in our milk and eggs and butter. And just stir it right in there. So waffle batter is just a little bit thicker than your normal pancake batter. I know sometimes you make it from a mix, but in this case, we're just making our own mix. You probably already have these ingredients at home, and you didn't know you can just put them together and make a wonderful, wonderful breakfast treat, okay? Okay. Let me just show you the viscosity that you're looking for, just like that. Okay, a little bit thicker than your normal pancake batter. And now what we're going to do is open up our waffle iron. And you want to give it a little bit of spray. I like to use the kitchen spray. You could use like maybe a little butter with a brush if you wish, but the kitchen spray is a lot easier. So we're going to place our batter right there in the center. Okay, we'll go ahead and push down, and we'll let it bake. Okay, here it is. Oh, awesome, awesome, look at that. Whoa, I love waffles, chocolate waffles especially. Come on, and the plate. Ta-da! All right, we gotta make another one. These are going to be so good. All right. Ready to go. Okay, look at this. Our waffles are great. Not only do I have this wonderful waffle here, but I have my beautiful wife, 𝐥𝐤𝐬, Andrew's mom. Yes, we were married 57 years. Hey, we're going to celebrate with some waffles, okay? Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. So please subscribe. You got to do that. Hit that like button. Oh my goodness, make that bell ring. And if you have any comments, love to talk to you. I'll be happy to get back to you. And don't forget, when you support us on Patreon, you're going to get exclusive content, early access, behind the scenes information you're going to want to love without any ads. All right, you ready to eat some? All right. That's so sweet. Oh. Whipped cream. Oh my goodness. Hey, melted butter. How about some strawberries? Strawberries, yes, strawberries and chocolate waffles, just like we had in Luxembourg. And now we're gonna cut it up. So I'll have one small piece for me and one big piece for you. Like that. Oh, wait a minute. Need some syrup. Put some syrup on this, sweetheart. Yeah, make it sweet. Go right ahead. Yep. Yeah, get it on there. Whoa, look at that. Now it's ready. All right. There it is. I cut some for you, some for me. We got to test it and see if we know what we're doing here. All right, chocolate waffles. Oh my goodness. Yep. Oh, get a bigger piece than that. That's good. Get some strawberries. Mmm. Wow. Excuse me, my mouth is full. Remember, when you're watching our videos, they're always simple and delicious. That's right, delicious. It's so delicious. We gotta get some more.
Put in my mouth. You remember to say it.
I know, but you can't. I know, but we're on TV, so so good. Get some more. We get lots of requests. People want to know where you get these wonderful aprons. Look at them. Don't we look snappy with these aprons on? We want to send one to you. So put your comments below. On every 50th comment, you're going to get an apron. So we're going to keep an eye out. And when it hits 50, boom, we're going to send it. We get 100, we're going to send another one. Love to have that. Just put it in the comments. We'll get back to you and ship it right to you. Thank you.